These are some of the things we're going to be using in the chili today. We have some canned tomatoes, some ancho chili, seasonings, garlic, some corn flour to stick in it, some brown sugar, bacon, lots of seasonings here, some tomato paste. I have some peppers and onions, little Worcester sauce. There's my other chili there. Some mixed beans because they get mad if I don't put beans in the chili, and we're going to be using some ground beef. Let's get started. All right, let's start adding some things to the pan. You guys can just follow along. Some flavor. Things you like to add to it. I never make chili the same twice. I swear I make it different every time. Hamburger back in. A couple of beef bouillon cubes, and I might add another one. I'm not sure yet. I'll taste it along the way and adjust that. We're going to put those in, let them get hot, and then they're going to break right up in there. Going to give it a nice smoky flavor as it's cooking in there, and you can add as much or as little depending on the size of pan you're using. You're going to have to adjust your seasonings to the amount you're making. I'm trying to make a large amount here, so we're going to add some garlic. These are the ancho chilies. Tomatoes. These are just canned tomatoes. There are beans in there. And I might add another can of beans. I'm not sure if I need any more yet. We're going to let this simmer on a really low heat for probably 3 to 4 hours.